Every business begins with an aspiration, a dream to build, to grow, a dream that flourishes when doing business is simple, transparent and predictable. For 9 years, GST has been transforming this dream into reality. Introduced on 1st July 2017, GST unified more than 19 central and state taxes and cesses into a single tax. And as GST continued its remarkable journey, it was time for the next leap forward.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। सामान्य मानवी की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्यमी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा।
Building upon the success of GST, the next-gen GST reforms were introduced to reduce taxes on everyday needs, make compliance simpler, processes faster, and business growth stronger.
आज से देश में नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लागू हुए हैं। जीएसटी बचत उत्सव की शुरुआत हुई है। त्योहारों के इस मौसम में जनता जनार्दन को ये डबल बोनांजा मिला है।
More than 400 items now carry lower GST rates. For millions of families, relief is lived every single day. From the electronic appliances to everyday essentials, from kitchen staples to the food on their table. And for those building a home of their own, the impact goes much further.
जीएसटी के दाम कम होने से राशन और घरेलू सामान पर काफी बचत होने लग गई है, जिससे घर का खर्चा चलाना काफी आसान हो चुका है।
To provide affordable healthcare, life-saving medicines, healthcare equipment and devices, critical treatments and insurance have been made more affordable.
वैसे भी जीएसटी रिफॉर्म हुआ है ना, इसका सीधा फायदा हम लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है। मेरी जो दवाइयां हर महीने की 7,000 रुपए की आती थी, अब 6200 रुपए की आ रही है। मेरा एक दोस्त है, उसके फादर को कैंसर है, उसका एक इंजेक्शन 5-6 हजार में सस्ता हो चुका है।
Behind every grain harvested lies a story of grit, patience and perseverance of the nation's farmers. Next Gen GST provides relief on key agricultural inputs and modern equipment.
मैं शिव प्रसाद पटेल ग्राम कुरौली से ट्रैक्टर खरीदने के लिए 50 से 60 हजार रुपए जीएसटी का छूट मिला है। इसी नाम से मैं मोदी जी को धन्यवाद।
With Next Gen GST, two-wheelers and small cars have become more affordable for middle-class families and young India. GST rationalization on buses and commercial goods vehicles has reduced transportation and freight costs, strengthening the spirit of Gati Shakti.
जो बाइक पहले मेरे बजट से बाहर होती थी, जीएसटी के कम होने के बाद वही बाइक आज मेरे बजट में है और मैं भी अपनी बाइक ले पाया।
Next Gen GST reforms brought relief not just for citizens but also for taxpayers and businesses.
This reform is not just on rationalizing rates. It's also on structural reforms. It's also on ease of living so that businesses can do their business of working together with the GST with a great ease.
For entrepreneurs, MSMEs and small businesses, faster registration is making significant difference. Today, most of the new GST taxpayers are getting their registration within a few hours through an automated process. This makes compliance simpler, reduces procedural burden, and enables businesses to commence operations faster.
I got my GST registration within a few hours. It helped me start my business quickly and focus on growth.
As a key reform, Next Gen GST has harmonized tax rates and streamlined the GST framework, bringing greater clarity, consistency, and certainty. Next Gen GST reforms have also introduced risk-based provisional refunds of up to 90% for exports and zero-rated supplies, providing quicker access to funds and improving cash flow. This benefit has also been extended to inverted duty structure cases.
Faster refund means my working capital is no longer blocked for longer periods. It has really improved my business cash flows.
For intermediary services, Changes in place of supply provisions have enabled eligible Indian service providers to access export-related benefits, strengthening their competitiveness in global markets. The impact of these reforms is visible across the GST ecosystem. Today, more than 1.65 crore taxpayers are the part of the GST framework. Annual GST collections crossed rupees 22.27 lakh crore, reflecting simpler compliance, wider formalization, and growing trust in the GST framework. Today, next-gen GST reforms are making everyday life more affordable while enabling businesses to grow with greater ease and confidence. From every household to every enterprise, the benefits of these reforms are reaching across the nation, building a stronger economy, a stronger India towards Viksit Bharat 2047. 9 years of GST, Sugam Kar Vyavastha, Sashakt Bharat.